Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have some thrilling news that's got everyone buzzing. Leaked renders of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy ZFold 5 have made their way online, and boy, are they turning heads. So, let's jump right in and take a closer look at these intriguing renders. Now, before we delve into the details, let's take a moment to appreciate the significance of the Galaxy ZFold series. Samsung has been at the forefront of the foldable smartphone revolution, continually pushing the boundaries of innovation. The Z Fold 4 was a monumental success, leaving fans eagerly awaiting the next big thing from Samsung. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The leaked renders of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 have taken the internet by storm. At first glance, you might think it looks strikingly similar to its predecessor. But hold on tight, because appearances can be deceiving. Let's unravel the secrets of this remarkable device. The most eye-catching feature has to be its stunning display. Rumors suggest that the Z Fold 5 will boast an even larger flexible screen, offering a seamless transition between smartphone and tablet modes. Imagine the possibilities of immersing yourself in your favorite apps and content like never before. It's a whole new world waiting to be explored. But wait, there's more. Samsung seems to have listened closely to user feedback, as the renders showcase notable design improvements. The Z Fold 5 appears to have slimmer bezels, giving you more screen real estate without compromising on portability. This is fantastic news for those who found the previous models a bit too bulky. Now, let's shift our focus to the camera department. The Z Fold 5 is rumored to pack a powerful camera setup, possibly featuring a triple or even a quad camera system. With such capabilities, you'll capture breathtaking photos and videos with ease. Whether you're a casual photographer or an avid enthusiast, the Z Fold 5 is ready to exceed your expectations. Hold your breath for a moment because we have an exciting rumor to discuss: an under-display selfie camera. Yes, you heard that right. Samsung might be introducing a front-facing camera hidden beneath the screen, allowing for an uninterrupted, immersive display experience. If this turns out to be true, it could revolutionize smartphone design as we know it. It's important to note that these leaked renders are still unofficial, and as always, Samsung keeps its secrets close to the chest. We'll have to wait for the official announcement to confirm all the details. That wraps up today's tech news update on the leaked Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 renders. If you found this information intriguing, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling tech updates. And please, share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited about the possibility of owning the Galaxy Z Fold 5? Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for the latest news in the ever-evolving world of technology. Until next time, happy exploring!